time to grab recyclables. There's one more here. Okay, there we go. Hola, buenas.
Buenas.
¿Cómo están?
Bien.
Bien, bien.
¿Cómo has seguido?
Bien. Hello, you beautiful people. Welcome back to Bird Time. Today is actually recyclable day. That's why all our bottles are ready. All our empty water bottles are ready. I just heard the song. There's like a 2-3 people passing usually in the area on a motorbike with like a pickup back where they collect all the recyclables from the town, and you just hear the song reciclando, and you know they're gonna pass very soon. So recyclables are ready, and then you just gotta wait for them to show up, and then you give it to them. Every time on Thursday. I just found out, I just learned that today, that it's actually always on Thursday. Usually I just hear them pass, I'm like, oh, let's quickly get the recyclables. And today I actually heard it in advance, and now I'm waiting for them to come. Of course I'm gonna wait inside, but ready for them. And there they are. Papel, latas y plásticos mucho mejor. Reciclando, recorriendo nuestro pueblo en esta labor. Reciclando voy. Reciclando, cartones y botellas para lanzar camión. Reciclando, papel, latas y plásticos mucho mejor. Reciclando, recorriendo nuestro pueblo en esta labor. Reciclando voy. Gracias. Reciclando, cartones y botellas para lanzar camión. Reciclando, papel, latas y plásticos mucho mejor. Reciclando, recorriendo nuestro pueblo en esta labor. Reciclando voy. Reciclando, cartones y botellas para lanzar lo mejor. Reciclando, recorriendo nuestro pueblo en esta labor. And that's how we recycle here in Salento in Colombia. That's how we do it. Papel, latas y plásticos mucho mejor. Reciclando, recorriendo nuestro pueblo en esta labor. Reciclando voy. Reciclando, recorriendo nuestro pueblo en esta labor. Reciclando voy. And that's it for today. Funny story, this is how we recycle out here in Colombia. See you tomorrow. Bye.